unit, you've got, well, everything coming apart. You got dust and dirt. We got some broken tabs on here, which I don't think it'll probably function again, but let's just... How's it going, y'all? This is Aaron, InterVac Design. I'm actually here showing you guys today one of our competitors' stick vacuum. Just some disclaimers, this is not our product, but I just want to show you some common concerns that people have. So number one, they have a lithium-ion battery in them.
On Amazon,
they're known.
The fire started in the primary bedroom closet while the family was at home.
They burn at really high.
They're known to catch fire. We actually had a few weeks ago at a show, talking to an individual. They lost their entire camper. They lost their 3 dogs that were in there. That were, I mean, they were like their children.
It was one of those
and
that
really
has the charging system that screws to the wall and then plugs in, so it's convenient.
And really what happened is a lithium battery caught on fire. They couldn't save the pets in time. So, and obviously that's a big danger, big issue. Another issue is when you're getting ready to leave for your next site, your next adventure, whatever the case may be, these don't always get strapped down good enough. And what happens is they'll tip over inside the unit and they start breaking. You'll actually notice you've got, well, everything coming apart. You got dust and dirt. We got some broken tabs on here, which I don't think it'll probably function again, but let's just, nope. And it won't even stay latched anymore. So guys, just be careful when you're gonna think you're gonna save some money. Buy a stick vacuum. Don't. Spend a little bit extra more. Let's put in a built-in vac. If you want to take a look what they look like, this is it in my unit, my personal unit. That's our road vac. We've got our vac port in here. So guys, check us out. We're American-made company. We're down here in South Florida. We'd love to help you out. Make the right choice.